is on the north side, facing north side of the house. Had hail damage on the 18th. Again, penetrated the siding there, there, up high. Chips up there. Let's see if I can zoom in. Right there. It'd be so necessary to reset the entire house. It'd be just to find something that would match the side of the house before winter. Because that's going to be a issue right there. Didn't break the first hailstorm. It wasn't wind driven. This was wind driven and hellaciously hard. I'm surprised we taped the windows because I thought it was going to break the windows. So it was pinging off the house. And here's how hard it bent the metal on the downspout. Really. That's, thank God we have a garage. That's the only thing that saved us. And a roof. It's has yet to be repaired, but well, I guess there's that up there. This is on the still north side facing part of the house. Screens acted like trampolines to bounce the hail off. There's that chunk missing. That chunk missing up there. You can't just replace this stuff from nobody's sections. This area is covered. Deck got it again. And here are the screens that I have no idea how they didn't break the windows. Absolutely no idea. This screen is completely toast. There's just one hail taking that one. Here's the chimney. Sorry, I'm not a perfect photographer. I don't know regarding the it's pretty much, this side of the house would be facing straight south. So me holding the camera straight north, that way is straight east, looking out that way, and looking back towards the house is straight west. So can't take much more. So I've got 1, 2, let's see, 3, 4, 5. There's a big one down here. I didn't notice that one until just now. 5. Wasp nest up there. Don't need that. And they survived it. 5, 6, 7 with the channel up there. I don't see any cracks. On the first hailstorm, they said that was just amazing that the hail didn't fry the siding. That's on 6 or 7, I can't remember. There's still dents in the gutter clear up there. That'd be 8, 9. Alright, so that's the same. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's all. That's all, yeah. Only got 19 shots through the house. No broken windows, thank God. Well, that's the outside. Everything. Get through it. If the trash can wasn't there, there would have been more damage. It's not bad, isn't it? Back on the west side of the house, facing south still. Do a walk around since we're going around here. The screen's still from the first storm. This would be the south exposure, south side of the house. And I don't think we have a screen left. And that's the back side. Facing, camera's facing west. The side of the house is facing east. And here's the back springs that were shredded in the first storm. Here, we'll look at the AC unit. I don't know why, it's one of the other huge investments. It's kind of trapped back here and protected. Well, that's it from 207 artillery, 207 Dayan Drive, just being a goofball.